Welcome back, Hot Wheel Collectors, diecast enthusiasts, and race fans. Here we are. We meet to the finals of the Hot Wheels Exotic Car Race Championships. And let's meet our cars. We got the Ferrari P4 in blue, the 5-spoke gold wheels, number 30, excuse me, number 32. It's the longest of the cars in this race, and it has a plastic base. Up next is the Pininfarina Battista, and this is in yellow. Got some nice detail, plastic base. I am not sure what those wheels are called. I probably should have did some research, but this was one I didn't think would make the finals, so that's a major surprise. Up next, we got of course, the ever popular Ferrari Testarossa with the LW wheels. This is actually probably one of the oldest cars. I think this is from the 90s. And this is it's the only metal on metal base, so it may have an advantage. Metal on metal body, metal base, so it may have an advantage. Then we got the Bentley in the number 8. This is the Continental GT3. Beautiful candy apple green with some black kind of I don't know how to explain it. Some nice black Tampa work from the base going up, fading into the green. It's got the spoiler. First one with a spoiler. Then we got the surprise Maserati MXR that I was making fun of the song Maserati Goes 185. Lost my license, now I don't drive. Yeah, this ended up being a very quick car. It's small and has big wheels on it. So it's not the stance, but the wheels between each other. It's shorter, and it has looks like the 10-spoke wheels on it. The Hot Wheel logo on the base there. Another one with a spoiler, and then the last one we have is the Lotus Sport LC, and a nice pearl white with a green comp stripe going down the back of the car to the front of the hood. Nice detail in the back. This also has a plastic base. Alright, so Curbs knows a lot of things. One of the things Curbs knows is it's not how you stand by your car, it's how you race your car. Better learn that. Alright, so how we're going to do it: 6 races. This will be in lane 1, lane 2, lane 3, lane 4, lane 5, lane 6. And then the next race, this one will be in lane 2, and they'll all push all the way until each car is raced in every lane. Whichever car has the most win after 6 races will be our champion, and it could be any number. It could be the first one to 4. It could be 1 wins 2 races, 1 wins 1, 1 wins 1, 1 wins 1, 1 wins 1, and this one doesn't win any. So many variables math-wise that could happen. So let's go ahead and get it going on this Saturday morning. Head on over to the raceway. Take the curb copter. All right. Let's get the camera set up so we don't miss any action. Let's start the race. Okay, we're going to have the Lotus be the number 1 car. We're going to have the Maserati in lane 2, the Bentley in lane 3, the Testarossa in lane 4, the Battista 5 in the P4 lane 6. All right, race 1 of the finals. Mark, set, go. Oh. Lane 2. That was the Maserati. I told you it was fast. Alright, so the Maserati gets a win. Gotta remember how I did this. So, now the Lotus will go to lane 2. Maserati will go to lane 3. Bentley will go to lane 4. The Testarossa will go lane 5. The Batista lane 6, and the P4 will move over into lane 1. Mark, get set, go! Winner, lane 3! That's the Maserati again. Told you that was going to be a fast car. Alright. Now, I have to put the P4 lane 2, the Lotus lane 3, the Maserati is now going in lane 4. The Batista now moving to lane 1. The Testarossa lane 5, and the Bentley lane 6. Mark, set, go! Winner, lane 4! Well, I don't know if mathematically it's won yet, but the Maserati won again. That's 3 for him. One more, and I think he's clinched it. I don't think anybody's going to catch up to him, but go on. That's why we race. Okay. So Bentley is now moving to lane 1. The Batista is going to be in lane 2. The P4 is going to be lane 3. Alright. This Lotus will be now in lane 4. The Maserati will be in lane 5. Testarossa out in lane 6. Alright, Mark, set, go! Winner, lane 5! Lane 5. That is the Maserati. Has won 4 straight in a row. You're not going to beat that. He's the champion. And let's just bring it over here for a minute. Take a look at it. So it's got the short wheels, the wheel stance, or wheel. I don't know if that's the stance. The stance is up or down, but the between the wheels, short. And it's metal on plastic, fairly light car. The spoiler, it's got some nice detail, Hot Wheel logo on the back. And one of the things we learned is it won every lane. So that is a fair track because the same car won every lane. So that was one thing I wanted to do. And make sure every lane, because it seemed like lane 2 and 5 were always winning the most, and the other ones weren't. but that just could have been coincidence. But now I know that all lanes are fair, and it's the car. So there you go. Just go. The Maserati Exotic Champion. And the next race is going to be a real fun one. It's going to be American Chevrolet Camaro versus Ford Mustang. And that should be fun because I know there's a lot of Camaro guys and there's a lot of Mustang guys. So I'll have to put together some cars to race, and that should be pretty fun. Other than that, it's a beautiful day in Southern California. It is Flag Day. It is the 250th birthday of the Army, and President of the United States, his birthday as well. And it's my aunt's birthday, and it's my girlfriend's mom's birthday, and it's all kinds of stuff. So enjoy your weekend, and peace out. Oh, by the way, thank you guys for watching. Appreciate your comments and everything, and take care.